Imagine there's a way to slow down aging, improve your health, and even prevent serious diseases. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not just a fantasy, but a scientific fact? The brilliant Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi made a groundbreaking discovery that earned him the Nobel Prize, and now the world knows the secret to rejuvenation. Want to know how this method works and how it can transform your life? Stay with us till the end, because this revelation might just change your future. At the heart of Ohsumi's incredible method is a process called autophagy. It may sound complicated, but the concept is simple. The cells in our body can cleanse themselves by breaking down damaged or old parts. Think of your body as a machine that periodically renews itself by getting rid of everything unnecessary and replacing it with new components. This mechanism has been known for a while, but it was Yoshinori Ohsumi who truly unlocked its significance and its role in our health. The story begins back in 1974 when Belgian scientist Christian de Duve first discovered cells capable of recycling waste. This was an important finding, but it didn't get much attention at the time. Only in 2016 did Ohsumi prove that this process is key to longevity and well-being. He showed that cells don't just eliminate waste, they rejuvenate themselves, giving our body a second chance. Ohsumi's method is based on fasting. Yes, something as simple as fasting can deliver incredible results. The magic lies in the fact that when our body lacks food, the cells start using their reserves and break down damaged structures. This activates the renewal process, and the cells become like new. Ohsumi's experiments on yeast cells revealed astonishing results. He created an artificial environment with minimal glucose and watched the cells through a microscope as they began to consume themselves. But this isn't harmful. On the contrary, it helps remove old and unnecessary elements. However, it's important to remember that everything should be done in moderation. Extended fasting can lead to cell destruction, which is not as beneficial. But short periods of fasting following Ohsumi's method help the body cleanse and rejuvenate itself, which is particularly important for preventing aging. Now let's explore how this process can impact you. Imagine your body detoxifying itself, renewing cells and defending against infections. You start feeling better, your energy levels rise, and even your appearance looks younger. All this happens thanks to autophagy, which is triggered by fasting. Scientists around the world were inspired by Ohsumi's discovery and have begun actively studying this process. Today, drugs are being developed that could artificially activate autophagy to treat various diseases. But for now, the best medicine remains natural fasting. A key factor in the effectiveness of autophagy is stress on the body, but not just any stress, the kind that occurs when there's a lack of food. When our body faces a shortage of nutrients, it activates defense mechanisms aimed at self-repair. One of the most fascinating aspects of Ohsumi's discovery is the concept of a feeding window. This is the period during which you consume food. Studies show that shortening this window can bring many health benefits. How does it work? Normally, we eat over a 12-hour period, for example, having breakfast at 8 a.m. and finishing dinner at 8 p.m. But if you reduce this window to 8 hours, say from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., you'll already start noticing significant changes. The body has time to cleanse and renew itself during the periods when it's not busy digesting food. Scientific studies confirm that reducing the feeding window to 8 hours improves mental and physical activity, normalizes sleep, and lowers blood pressure. Most importantly, it helps prevent serious diseases like diabetes, obesity, and even cancer. But the discoveries don't stop there. Research at the Salk Institute in San Diego has shown that reducing the feeding window to 6 or even 4 hours delivers even more impressive results. In this case, the body works even more efficiently, positively affecting all systems. For example, in one study, one group of volunteers ate over a 12-hour period, another over 8, a third over 6, and the fourth over just 4 hours. The best results were seen in those who followed the shortest window. Their organs and systems performed at the highest level. Why does this happen? It's all about circadian rhythms, the body's internal biological clock. In the morning, cortisol is produced, helping us wake up, feel energized, and prepare for the day. In the evening, melatonin is released, getting us ready for sleep and triggering repair processes. If our feeding window is too wide, we disrupt these natural rhythms. We eat when our body should be resting, and this leads to all sorts of system breakdowns. The result: fatigue, reduced immunity, and premature aging.
Imagine continuing to eat late into the evening when your brain is already preparing for sleep. At this time, your body should be restoring itself, but instead, it's busy digesting food. The result: poor sleep, morning grogginess, and a slowdown of all bodily functions. That's why it's so important to gradually shorten your feeding window. But this must be done wisely. It's not just about reducing the number of meals, but replacing late-night snacks with something light, like vegetables or fruits. Over time, your evening hunger will begin to fade, and your body will adjust to the new routine. It's crucial to remember that breakfast should be the heaviest meal, while lunch and dinner should be lighter. One of the best drinks during fasting periods is warm herbal tea or water. These help the body adapt to the new regime faster and support the cleansing processes. The ideal feeding window looks like this: a hearty breakfast at 8 a.m., a light lunch at 12 p.m., and an early dinner at 4 p.m. This routine will not only improve your figure, but also normalize the work of all the body's systems. Even doctors agree that short-term fasts have a positive effect on the body. And while the popularity of fasting diets is often driven by a desire to lose weight, scientific research shows that it's much more than just weight loss. Autophagy is not a miracle cure, but it is one of the most crucial processes that help our body stay healthy and youthful. By using Ohsumi's method, you can not only improve your well-being, but also prevent many diseases. Remember, you can start small. Just reduce your feeding window, cut out late-night dinners, and within a few weeks, you'll start noticing changes. Your body will thank you. If you want to live longer, stay active, and be healthy, start incorporating Ohsumi's fasting method into your life. It doesn't require much effort, but it delivers amazing results. Right now, you can take the first step toward better health. Try reducing your feeding window and see how your well-being transforms within just a few weeks. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Share this video with your friends and family, because knowledge is the power that helps us live better and longer.